So do you get much free time, Claudia?
Free time? Not really. But when I do, I really like to read.
Oh, read?
Yeah, I like all kinds of books. I read in the evening after dinner and in bed. See, reading is good because it doesn't cost much, and I can borrow books for free from friends or from the library, or buy paperbacks, which are, pretty cheap. I love reading, but there's just one problem.
What's that?
It makes me sleepy. I sometimes fall asleep while I'm reading.
Oh.
2. Brian.
And how about you, Brian? Do you have any hobbies?
Well, in my free time, I enjoy cooking.
Ooh, cooking?
Yeah, I love to spend time in the kitchen preparing meals.
Huh. Cooking is pretty creative, isn't it?
Creative? Oh, yes. I like to try new ideas when I'm cooking. The only problem is, time. I hardly ever have enough time.
Oh, does it take a lot of time to cook well?
Yes, it does. It takes a lot of time to cook a really good meal.
I see.
3. Linda.
Okay, Linda, what's your hobby?
Well, it's pretty unusual.
Oh, well, come on, tell me.
I like doing magic tricks.
Oh, wow, really?
Yes. My grandfather did magic tricks, and I learned a lot of tricks from him. It's really fun, and it's a good way to meet people. On weekends, I often give shows at kids' birthday parties.
Oh, that's fantastic. It sounds wonderful.
Yes, I love it, most of the time. But sometimes it's boring to do the same tricks over and over. Well, that's why I'm always trying to learn new tricks.
Well, I'd love to see your show one of these days.
4. Evan.
So, Evan, do you have a hobby?
Yes, actually I do. And my hobby is extremely relaxing.
Really? Well, what do you do?
I like to fish.
Huh, you like fishing.
Oh, yeah. On weekends, I go to the river and, I try to catch some fish.
You try? Do you catch many?
Well, no, not really. But it's great to sit outdoors in the fresh air,
Yeah, sounds nice.
But
But?
it's an expensive hobby. I mean, you need good equipment, and good fishing equipment is, expensive.
I see. Well, thanks, Evan.